Hey guys, welcome to Brotherland. In today's video, we're talking about the Redmi Watch 4, which I received from Xiaomi a few days ago, or I acquired it at a Xiaomi event, and today we will unpack and install them and then proceed to take a closer look at the products. The most recent Xiaomi wearable from me is already a while ago, so I am very curious about how it looks like here at this moment. This is the Redmi Watch 4, you see, from the house of Xiaomi. I believe my previous Xiaomi wearable was the Xiaomi 8 Pro or something like that. What do we have in this case? Ultra-large AMOLED display, aluminum, long battery life, with a duration of up to 20 days should now work properly. Supports 5 systems, GNSS, global positioning system should also be installed. Bluetooth calling, advanced health and workout. Here we have the specifications again. The 417 battery is expected to have a maximum duration of approximately 20 days on a single charge. Swimming is included, and you can do it with confidence thanks to the 5 ATM water resistance. That's interesting. Let's simply unpack. This is the beautiful object. Redmi, manufactured by Xiaomi Communications Co.S., is a noteworthy product in the market. Limited. This is the band that is currently performing live. Next, we have the charging dock positioned right here in this spot. Interesting. Black watch, white cable. Somehow seems familiar to me. I do not even have any idea if it is compatible with the chargers of the current generation Xiaomi, but I am okay with it. And in this location, we have paperwork that we'll leave exactly where it is without any changes, and then we'll carefully pack it up again, ensuring that everything is properly organized and protected during the process. So, this is the excellent piece here. Wow, that was the most tiring slide I've ever experienced. Now the event has already begun, and we can already observe the presence of German here. Download the MyFitness application on your phone in order to connect it with your watch. We have already completed this task. Add a device. And here the Redmi Watch 4 is already being displayed. Then let's choose them. So now we can couple the coupling request. Hook. Connected, coupled, prepared. Let's start. Yes, that was genuinely effortless. Here we have a concise tutorial for you. To access widgets, please press the button. View notifications by swiping down to see the notification panel. And the task is now finished. Please make sure to synchronize all notifications accordingly. Access to contact alarm, kindly refrain from disturbing. Aha, so if you possess it on your phone, kindly refrain from disturbing activated. Good. You can still allow them to run in the background. At this point, the thing is practically paired. What type of dials do we have in this particular location? Alright, there are a couple of watch faces that come with it, as you can see here. Online, you can also install a vast collection of watch faces here. All items are currently free, as far as I can tell, based on my observations at this moment in time. Apply, execute the installation process. The installation was completed successfully, and now it is displayed on my watch faces. Yes, that is simple. Good. Then let us take another glance at the watches in the vicinity before we place them on our wrists. As mentioned, we possess a crown present here that additionally possesses a function to a certain degree, but regrettably, it is not possible to scroll through it with the widgets, which is a pity. It is also a button at the same time. Then we have a speaker here, microphones, and here are the quick release buttons for the wristbands. So let's get started. Oh! This is again this closure where you basically thread the strap through and then have to press firmly. I simply hate these things here. Kindly provide me with a standard closure. Thus connected. In this way, please. That's all I need. And on. Should we act in a similar way as that? So now let's take a closer look at this thing. So control. Damn dark. From the top to the bottom. The notification comes from the top to the bottom. My deal's new offers. No, we don't need it now. Bottom to top is quick bar. Still unusual. Otherwise, it has always been from top to bottom. Interesting. On the left, the widgets originate from the page. Currently, we scroll through it once. Additionally, left and right essentially have the same function. That does not end either. Alright, so press it for an overview of the different apps. No great third-party apps to expect there now. Go, competitor, go! That now appears more like a wallet, but it is not. However, well, that is for running. We have blood oxygen measurement here. I think you can expect blood oxygen and pulse here. There is no electrocardiogram here? Yes, nice. Firstly, this HyperOS here is snappy, not slow like other operating systems. And now I am truly experiencing 20 days of battery life. I am extremely thrilled. I will proceed to recharge the object once again in a state of peace. I assume that it will exhibit magnetic characteristics in this particular location. It is magnetic, thus semi-magnetic. Therefore it holds, but it does not really hold tight. It is still holding. Yes, I am done for now. This is now the Redmi Watch 4. I will now simply use the next week in parallel to my Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Undoubtedly, there are multiple device categories with distinct functionality and varying features. But I will just observe how stable it truly runs and what sort of problems emerge. For more questions, ask in comments, else subscribe. More videos coming soon. See you. Goodbye. Bye. Ciao.